Graduation Cap. Pursue your dream MD at Texila American University College of Medicine. Hospital. Global recognition. Become a licensed doctor in USA, UK, Canada. Books comprehensive program, pre-medical and basic sciences in Guyana for 3 years. Hospital elite clinical rotations. Final 2 years at Tucson Medical Center, Arizona, USA. Memo USMLE Success. 86% pass rate, excel in USMLE Exam 1 and 2. Love Hotel Residency Opportunity. 3 years free residency with $6,000 USD per month stipend. Briefcase high paying career. Average $120,000 USD per year as a specialist in the USA. Rocket your MD journey starts now at Texila American University, where excellence meets opportunity. For admission, contact us at www.medicaducare.com.
Welcome to Texila American University.
I'm Letitia Gajli.
Lance Barnes.
Alicia Sotho.
Zaza Johnson, Zipolona Bokotla.
Nadira Suram.
GTF Pagwandi.
I'm Peri Niharika. Atula Shivani. Hi, I'm Peri Jennifer Princess.
నా పేరు ఆకాష్ సూర్య.
హలో मेरा नाम शुभम जैन है.
എൻ്റെ പേര് അഷ്ന.
నా పేరు Christina.
From Georgetown, Guyana.
From the beautiful island of Jamaica.
I am from Durban, South Africa.
From Kuwait. I'm from Coimbatore.
मध्य प्रदेश इंडिया.